Take Old Spice to the bathroom. Few people know that this product can be used in this way. If your husband didn't like the Old Spice deodorant, you don't have to throw it away. Old Spice has a very distinctive, intense, spicy scent. Therefore, it can be successfully used in any bathroom. This popular deodorant from the United States is known worldwide, so you can use it anywhere as a toilet freshener. When there is an unpleasant odor in the bathroom, Old Spice will change that. Just wipe the toilet seat with it. Yes, exactly. Open the deodorant and wipe the entire toilet seat with it. The layer of deodorant will leave a pleasant scent that will freshen up the whole bathroom. When someone lifts the toilet seat, a pleasant smell will come from the toilet. When the deodorant scent fades, just wipe the toilet seat with it again. So, if you have such a deodorant at home, use it in the bathroom. It's a great air freshener for the toilet. Use laundry clips in the bathroom, and you'll be amazed at their effectiveness. Bathroom clips have a unique purpose. Few know the secret, but once you discover it, you'll surely be impressed. And so will your guests. Every bathroom with a toilet is one of those places in the house where there's usually more dirt and bacteria, and sometimes even mold. With frequent toilet use, many people use popular detergents for cleaning and disinfecting. After using them, the bathroom smells pleasant, but they work briefly and are expensive. After flushing the toilet a few times, there's no trace of them. Today, I'll show you a way to make your bathroom always smell like a luxury home, and it's all thanks to laundry clips. Though it may sound strange, such clips are suitable for this task. It's worth starting with the fact that these are wooden clips. If you already have clips, you'll also need essential oil, preferably with your favorite scent. Eucalyptus works well in the bathroom. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. We'll use it on the clips. Even one drop on a clip is enough for you to feel its extraordinary scent. Refreshing and pleasant. When you moisten the clips with it, place one or several in different spots in the bathroom. It could be a container for paper towels or a small trash bin placed near the toilet. You can attach a clip to the shower glass. Wherever you do this, the scent of the oil will be long-lasting in the bathroom. Your bathroom will always be fragrant. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush, a new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution, apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush. Mix and place it in an empty toilet hanger. A homemade cube will work in any toilet. Is your toilet hanger empty? Don't have a new one. You don't have to rush to the store right away. You can prepare your own insert for such a hanger. Pour about 3/4 of a cup of water into a pan or pot. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix it in cold water to dissolve. Now start heating the container. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. It should be quite thick. To the resulting mixture, add a packet of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with the mixture until it completely dissolves. Add a generous amount of detergent. It can be dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent. Finally, you can add essential oil, for example, tea tree oil. Mix everything well. Transfer to a smaller container. Cover the area with foil for hygiene. Prepare an empty toilet hanger. Take a disposable spoon. Use it to apply the mixture to the hanger. And it's ready. Hang the hanger in the toilet and flush the waiter. The detergent and citric acid will gently clean its interior. The toilet will be cleaner and fresher. Pour this foaming mixture into the toilet and see what happens. This trick is used by housekeepers in 5-star hotels. Thanks to it, you can clean even a heavily soiled toilet, literally without scrubbing. The bubbling foam will do all the work for you. Pour 5 tablespoons of laundry detergent into a bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of salt. It has disinfectant and strong cleaning properties. Due to its properties, salt can successfully replace harmful chemicals in many situations. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar to the powder. It excellently eliminates bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle very old deposits of limescale that often accumulate under the rim of the toilet bowl. Mix everything together. The mixture will start reacting and foaming immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Just pour it into the toilet. It's worth pouring it on the walls as well. Then leave it for several minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the inside of the toilet. The bathroom will be filled with a fresh, clean scent in just a few minutes. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing.